Yellowbird, Helvitkus, is not just the name of an organization, but it is the name of one of the co-founders of this cultural organization. Philip White Mann's Cheyenne name is Yellowbird, Helvitkus, and his partner, Lynette Two Bulls. When it comes to the Fort Robinson's spiritual outbreak run, I think of this couple who have given their life for the Cheyenne people. In my estimation, both of them are love, because that is what attaches them to this land. This is what gives them purpose. This is who they are. Love. Just they love the Cheyennes, especially the children. For the Cheyennes, we live for our children. And this run is just one aspect, a tiny aspect, but a critical aspect of how we love our children and how significant they are to us culturally. They are our monumental human treasures, and they need to be given every kind of advantage, support, love, respect, visions, dreams, for they represent the hope and the dreams of the people today. I just love to come with them on the run, just to see them with their strength and their dignity, with the hope that they give me, with the dreams that they will bring into existence far into the future, because of the great love of Yellowbird, Helvitkus, for all of them. Cheyennes, Yellowbird, we live for our children.